This is our question 4. So what is happening here? It is a function divide. It has two parameters a and b. It is just going to give you the division. Yes. And from there it is getting to this place. The value is assigned here and it is going to be added with 5 and that output is printed. But on what is happening? If you try running this program, you will get unsupported operand types because for addition, none type plus an integer is not the big match. This is what your error looks like. So what is the problem? The problem is hiding here because this function divide explicitly it is not returning any value. So what happens? By default it returns none value. So the value that is assigned here is none and not the exact value. So none plus 5, obviously we'll get error, right? So how to rectify this? We have to return the result value. So the result value comes here. So what would be the value? 10 divided by 2, 5. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. So the output variable that is referring to this value 10. And when we print this, that's our output. It is 10. Okay? Yes. So this is our question 5. We have to predict the output. I hope you really predicted it correct. Okay, let's check it. So what is happening here? It is a function named mystery where it has parameters like a and as well as some arbitrary positional arguments named star args and default argument as well, b is equal to 5. And it is just going to return the value that is a plus sum of that arguments plus b. And we have some function calls as well. So first function call mystery, we are passing the value 2, 3, 4. So now what happens? A is assigned 2 and 3 and 4 will be, yes, taken as arbitrary positional arguments here. So it will be taken into a tuple. That's how it works. I hope you remember that. And B's value will be used with this default one. So B is equal to 5. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Yes, it is 14. So our first output is 14. So here in the second function call, we are sending 1 and b is equal to 10. So now how the values will be assigned? A is equal to 1 and now the b value will be 10 instead of 5. Okay. So what happens with arguments like arbitrary positional arguments? We are not sending any values. Does it produces any error? Do you think so? There is nothing for us to worry about because the arguments will be assigned an empty tuple as in value. So by performing sum of function on that empty tuple, the value will be 0. Okay, so what is our output here? 1 plus 0 plus 10. Yes, 11 will be our output. And now the final function call here, yes. 3 will be assigned to A and 2 and 1 will be, yes, tuple. It is the value of those arguments. And B is going to hold 0 instead of 5. So by performing the addition operation, what will be our output? 3 plus 2 plus 1, simple, sits right. Yes, that's it. I hope you got your outputs correct. Yes. Have fun with programming and fall in love with programming. And friends, don't forget to like and share this video. And as well, the most important thing is, yes, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting and fun-filled one. Bye-bye and take care.